How to find screenshots on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. On this page, go to the Collections section at the bottom. Over here, scroll down and go to the Media Type section. From the list, find the Screenshots album and tap on it. All your screenshots are automatically saved to this album and you can view them from here. You can also delete screenshots from here if you want. And for a recently taken screenshot, you can just open the Photos app and it will be visible right there with your recent photos. Following these steps, you can easily find screenshots on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.